For ma mema will be a good evening, good evening. Ishi I actually court in Comoso, and I mean, say, oh my baha on Baba woman, a Baba woman. I didn't go, but I'll share 2 pages in some of my wife. Oh my baha on Baba woman, but Mummy, just 1 minute, and then me say, as many people who want to listen to Pastor Love story, no, Kofu Bisami. I'm a Pastor Love way, and then me, I'm a walk to crowd, and yes, Pastor Love will hear me. And me P. Ekushia Pastor Love, and I will give you the update on Pastor Love. Then, as well, give you update on JB Danquah-Adu. JB Danquah-Adu case, the full details from day one till this time. Please kindly join me. Na yenko oba na wa like na wa share. Why? Share wa ni di oba na wa like na wa share. Because so let me start by saying good evening to Obia, and then me pesi me hu numbers no ba na mpacho wa like na wa share dia ma no ba na wa like na wa share dia ma, because Pastor Love enra na menya hint say Pastor Love obi pie because na omoye documentation na omuwie enra me finding out na ne passport ne ho nsem na akoye bibi kakra, because me hwehwe mu chere say ne passport na o de be chere na 2032 and na ye ne years and woman no offend to kinda. So the court needed to be sure say onkoye passport for chira ngona ye ma ne bi na ofa chire akọ ye eyi foforo ham tina. The court wanted to be sure about that sureties to be justified. Justification, with landed property, sureties to be justified. Justification, with landed property, justification with landed property. So that they be a chairman. So justification, a ho and a yana asem no a won. So justification, nipa 2 no. As I said, what dying ne buono a sum sa Rebecca ne saying 2 million. Some were there and they born some sa 2 million Ghana cedis no. No, and a problem no a work say. And no problem no a work say. And see na akwaya time kakra. Na akwaya time kakra, but God being so good, After na waiting me emiti ne bill conditions, So interestingly, and then na me wo High Court Criminal Division 5 and Mranti me no be a popay on me. This time I show and I'm say we say me yesofo, and I'm say as of mobile bombing and command na mobile bomb by am not see you. Pastor Love say me found and I'm say me Pastor Love say me fa memra. And I'm say Pastor Love say me fa memra say me no wasem so Pastor Love so no wasem. And I'm say say Pastor Love so name wasem or we fa mama yenko, because many Pastor Love ni asem. I always say it, wasem back court. Now if I report on your case, I don't have any issue with you. Some can say Pastor Love so name wasem, and I'm saying mama yenko. So me di wo machi and I pie, and people were asking I'm a no more pen. I'm saying, Mobi is true. I mean, oh, my no, my pin, me knew Biaka, and will be answered on the maker, so I don't think anybody is going to do anything for me. Luckily, the PA is standing nice, Pastor Love, agent at home. I got to Pastor Love with my name say, and software and as a brother beer, and then I'll be pay bill, not our hobby. And I met them and I greeted them. And maybe say, Pastor Love, yes, over me. And I say, I am one. And I'm sure many a friend me am bra kwambo me adwuma wan joti e no se wa e na me se na e me e da asem e manti me ni so na me wasem e no se o ni me ni asem oni me ni asem na me se na me so me ni oni asem e na me say na mo so oni me ni asem na mo so na me wasem no se o Pasalavu be ka say no nti ase ni nti ada na e sentence na me twa no picture na me se o na me ye madwuma. No, say maintain the side of the story. And I'm saying no. side of the story there, when it comes to court reporting, fine because side of the story, no can court to them all. It's me bejo side of the story, I mean fine and time I now cast a man frail. Nanka, Gina Namino Nim Common, you were a convict at that time. And a convict can't speak to me. Means many convict and kasa. It's yamra. Just say police for nankasa maho kwan. And no kuram police for maho kwan. Do say yene convict be dim koma. Now that means OP and I find ways and means no able di anim near the camera chair so. Now oh bibi abeka chair nkrofo na ne suna usu something like that. Pastor Love so there been say me friend na me catch no anka obejina obeka che police for ni say wo munyina wa na say immigrate prison officer say o munyina ho na anka me ne nkasa na maintain side of the story and I'm so okay. Let me say sorry to you. Say manka na me child. Many wuni issue not you Obama. Me so many wuni issue. So we settle the issue. And time our cancer na the number obe signing the documents no na oko nti me no ka say Pastor Love say numere or signing documents na e bibi area dia by this time Pastor Love so do fear and na ochina nyame adoma no but imagine this first thing in the morning Pastor Love obebe fie Pastor Love obebe fie and I saw him and I was very happy. Ono ankasa nso no he's come and me catch and say are you ready so obekasa you should come me ne ba betina court nkomo eso Angel TV so and I said this is my very platform, you know, this platform if I talk about court issues it is only this place that you get the authentic and the truth about everything. Me ni obi eni asem Ghana ha, and I don't think I have any issue with anybody in this country. Wa na me wasem ne wa ujijiriji wa one me wasem wa ujijiriji na mom me de me ni obi eni asem pa cho ba na wa shem e de am nana yaw kin no say good evening now sexy don't outcome of his very sound strange me can say ma munji mindi I am a prophet. I am a prophetess. Me I am even disappointed. Say sexy don't know. Verdict went this way. He should have been acquitted and discharged. Sexy Dondo should have been acquitted. Me, I am not surprised. Me, I'm a Brakwambofo. I am not surprised. No, not one bit. Following the case from day one to the end, yes, I am not surprised. They should have rather acquitted the guy. Now you JB Danquah-Adu. And my boss, Kofi Adoma, when he always says this on Angel TV, or say you perceive you JB Danquah-Adu. Ebusuafo ni nkonya ne ne saman. Na ye mbisa ne say, JB, who killed you? Okawia. Na yakase se papa da. Oda na sem etuatwa. The jury members were confused. Yes, there was confusion. Confusion set in. So they didn't know what they were supposed to do. But say you cannot prepare and then you see him make say you can say on the charges of robbery and the charges of murder, they set him free. Unanimous decision. And the police wanted to take all Ghanaians on a horse chase. It will never happen. And it is not going to happen. Nanaya, one of our men Pastor Love, and I'll do it. But please, when you join, kindly share and give your comment. If you have anything, and I am ready to answer every question on JB Danquah-Adu. Please send your comment. Share, kindly share. Kindly share, let's go. Kindly share, because and I am ready. My machine, I made a problem with my machine. I had wanted to play some videos and then you made. I had wanted to play the videos and then you made. For you to watch certain things and for you to analyze certain things. And I promise you, I promise my viewers, I will do that. I will do that. I will do that. I will definitely do that. I will definitely do that. I promise my viewers, I will do that. I will definitely play that video one of these days for you to analyze the reconstruction scene. Me, let me say it again. I am not surprised about the verdict. Me, I'm a Brabambo. I am not surprised. No, I am not surprised one bit. JB Danquah is a lawyer, and the lawyer has proven, say, he is a good lawyer. Yes, he is a lawyer. And I can say the guy will be set free. Oh yes. The second trial now. So 8th February 2016. 8th February 2016. Ena Ghana yanti asemode. Then that's sorry anopa you say sexy don akukum. You see a sitting member of parliament, a Buakwa North MP. You see a Buakwa North MP. And I start saying. And we arrested Sexy Dondon. And we arrested Vincent Bosu. Some of guys say no more two. But I couldn't cry the mountain and once no more two. But I couldn't shed and once a could see say court akwete a discharge no eneja ono akope baby atina obi ba be ma odemu 8 solid years 8 years and the video no me ana me di akire de call prison nene maame ekoyi no efi prison e baaye nti munyina da monim and the video no e da court nkomo you can go and watch that video. Vincent Bosu and that is setting it free no. You can go and watch that video. So ekoka Daniel do. So the charge of conspiracy was no more because ononkwa na ho ntimi conspire ese omokwa kowia obi no won kunu. So say na charge aka a robbery and murder. My reign fi say JB Danquah-Adu case Papa ni wu 8th February 2016. It take almost 3-4 years and sana ye ba bedru high court. Because high court case ni could do high court 2021. High court started case this particular judge out case in so no or started case in 2021. So 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. My reign fi say the first lawyer started asem no sexy don age nko ano ye koye bone test eno achi ye ko ni suku mu ye si ehu ni age eno achi niema bebre the same lawyer be catch say sexy don say bi na adwen eni fie ya de ne ko psychiatric hospital e ko hwe ne tirim e ko hwe na adwen mu doctors be catch say oye fit into bit man standard trial. Ya started case 2016 2017 ni banano. Now the prosecution says say at that time they were calling 5 witnesses and as for 5 and an almost your free. Now ye nim baby I say ye see okohwiri war and a moja kwaso so baby and na okofa rubber and na de ko say nsuo wo baby and okodware wo bi fie and na fa hin ne kosi enu nyina na nkasa story ne ho. The first part we nye de sisi ayewie no me kire wade analyze what I am telling you because me I'm a brown camp of family from day one the very first day I chase sexy don and in the kwempona no court Justice Samuel Owusu the first judge I the boy we call the name your friend is Samuel Owusu no your district court judge empona no ho so far kufu the time and no closes our court into any case me di actually from day one into near boy na ka biara no e go bitiri we mu and me will note ni wo I can refer and tell you what he has said what the prosecution has said in the courtroom. I will give it to you tonight. So the first time, Samuel Usu remanded no. Yes, na said you were down near the psychiatric hospital. Yes, or your mind no near cortex in the bones near there. Because see, say age advice, no, and I'm going to take it 6-8 months and sign a buy. Age advice and a buy a chin. And the idea assembly by High Court for the trial. Let me tell you, JB Danquah-Adu case, Chena Acheno, and yet because say a bar court and re ye in Tinachu. See, a bar court, High Court for the first time. A bar and I ever started hearing Ankasano. And the Attorney General Office ever filing nolly prosequa MP. And the sign cost start say a seminal because almost say almost fresh evidence. Now me as a reporter, I'm media semnechi. Abesi ene aye the verdict na ba no. Nia mimi hu wo mu a fresh evidence. Eye Abigail Mafo 1. Abigail Mafo ena ni fie ben JB Danquah-Adu fie a prosecution ne say boy ni kodi boni ni wie kodi kobo okro no kun JB Danquah-Adu wie of ode ne homoja eforo kosi efie ho osi efie ho no ena kofa cap ena kosa nsuo ena kohye adwaye ena odware ye no nkobi kobo kro no kun ni pewia ne homoja no okotena adwaye edware ewo kro ne homoja ne digu ho na okọ no problem. Now a static case you know enti ya file nolly prosequa and now your son cost start afresh into the second part now your cost start you know the next quarter you didn't call the same district court but this time judge be and your friend arrest in some or no any other case ni comment so JB Danquah-Adu case no sexy don't start or bear so Samuel Usu any ba arrest in some omu nyina your district court magistrates and a barret in some so some kai say it do baby no there was some publication say judge be say all marginalist ends na JB Danquah-Adu case ni mu biem wa open Google and see ye judge ni nya banter a very serious banter Emma there were several publications. Justice William Atuguba retired at that time no acting Supreme Court Chief Justice of formal committee Asia court reporters my koy Emma judge and the crown pono ebe can say sorry if free ho and no ma kwan because this was a national interest case and a public interest case. So district court 2 judges Justice Samuel Usu District Court Emponano then arrest in some court dan abribi e ho cocaine dan powder no sa court ni mu but enye da judge ni di asem into ono age advice ne by sa court won so and na sexy don start bobo di avenger obodi Sorogo Amadu Sorogo MP former Madina MP Amadu Sorogo obo ni di Samadino Sadenta MP obo ni di sa court go ena na obribu ahen ba ya obo obribu ahen di say wo obribu ahen unim o mesoma me no ka ho bi it's that very court and when nyina no ama high court ya ntworo amfa ma high court now Yewie district court the first part and the second part ya transmitting all the evidence about court exhibits the edikanye bedsheet na JB Danquah-Adu odaso which was a brown bedsheet with flowers in it me kokota me radio a brown bedsheet with flowers in it na flowers ewo that bedsheet in him. The next exhibit I had buy was a blue cap. Cap na ye this sense so fi na e won nsa no. On say your cap bi a ye e won nsa tenten. Sa cap no e ba court dem ho bi. The next item e ba court dem was the knife. The alleged knife na ye dey war JB Danquah-Adu, but knife no, pachochoto. Maybe I become something interesting about the knife na yediku JB Danquah-Adu no. Maybe I become the actual. Pachochocho ne manito. I will give you reasons why me say I am not surprised about the verdict. No, not at all. So the knife, about court them will be there dancing. Since you don't pabua you say na oshe. About court them was they say a friend is saying watchman could you pills then sampa boy ni bi sampa boy ya be ya ye nuanu mu ton wo kwan ho bebreye yes obi ahye bi slippers bi eno then eche ye bi about court them then by bandana all my Simon Jale was a bandana and also by court them do we for me back okay, sorry, thank you. Thank you. You can as well bring your comments. You can as well share. If you have any questions, I have time. Or comment them, but I want you and me to learn something and know something. What's not going to be cool? I will cool free. That is it. Why do you always speak with passion, so much passion, when you are dealing with this case? I speak with so much passion because if a sitting member of parliament could be killed, not as at now, then nobody is safe in this country. Not at all, at all, at all. So, that is it. Now, a minute, let me do this call. So, material, what? Yeah. A minute. Hello. Yes, boss. But I'm here live. Maybe I'm first to see how I'm using my phone. I'm in for call. Thank you. Sorry. So, now, mature nema a bar court to them ho. Beshit in a bar. There was a white t-shirt I used to say nonna. Na JB Danquah-Adu dia. And na a branch is exit on a fa a share. So used to say oku papa ni win of a papa ni t-shirt. Si mature nema a bar. Ye free prosecution free 8 witnesses. And that assembly see ye no 8 February. It was established in the courtroom. I said, enipa 8, and then wo JB Danquah-Adu ni fie ho sa na adwo Oma ne dining, the full house na. Our pictures na ye show you see the actually kwatwere what a dining inside no enipa 8 and then was sa dining. Pachoti, the first person JB Danquah-Adu dankasa said we wawu efiri ma. The first person JB Danquah-Adu na yere na wo fie ho sa na adwo. The second person JB Danquah-Adu na ase ye na yere ne maame na wo fie ho. Enyame na America, it was established in the courtroom. The third person na owo fie ho ono kra de ono no ko bi e dan e ma 3 police officers na kofa body no e ko hwe body ni for the first time no ono bi e dan JB Danquah-Adu ne house help aye friend Jennifer pacho muntie ni ye and this is the facts of the case aye the bar court. 8 people na ni yesu so mu ofie ho no JB Danquah-Adu yere the first person. JB Danquah-Adu as nasip ba your ba ne maame na ofie ho. JB Danquah-Adu ne house help oba you say house help 2 ba ko ba wia na ba ko ba nwumre ba ne oba wia ne de obaye na adwuma wia na okọ onti fie ho but Jennifer ne na oba kọ no your friend Mariam. I will give you the names because they didn't about to them dida. Mariam ena ne na ono de oti fie wa asem ni siye your friend Jennifer. Mama o ne yere no, mama o na ase, mama o Jennifer. Ne ma no mu nyina wo fie ho. Ena asem ni siye. Ti mama o nipa 4. The fifth person. Okay, ne ma ne ka ho. The next person I know wo fie ho. Eye the security man na oda ya kofa atwede e de be fa nanim e fa nachi e de kwatwere dan a we hu hwe no. The security man was also in the house. It will interest you to know say there was the gardener no nso fie. So all these people were in the house that very day, 8th February 2016. No munyina wo fie ho. All these people were in the house of JB Danquah-Adu. Nana Kim, me just say wuti. It shock you, eh? Hey, don't be shocked. Africa na me in some nepi nyabotre. I will break it down for everybody to understand and appreciate it. Who we are? You are a member of the jury. You can also give your verdict. If you acquit Sexy Dondon, you can acquit him. If you think he's guilty, you can say he's guilty. This is a public platform, so you are good to go. Enipa way amabobo mudin onom wo fie ho. Now, yenre fie ho. Sexy Dondon from day 1. Memekai the very day and neba court. Opeja ne nsa. Eno no aka say me ko fie o se me kwa kobokro no. But in the course of chronobono ena me kun papa no. I quite remember he said it. The very first day he said it. Judge ni bisane say on struggle ye. E some wusu den time. O say ane. But ore JB Danquah-Adu tenten. Na re Sexy Dondon. No so ne papa ne struggle ye. Who pra wa himfa ne nsa ano ha. E na we pra. Knife na ye ka ho asem no. Me se me ka knife na ho asem a kire. Then na Sexy Dondon de ko fie ho. Sexy Dondon yes all ko ho no. Or the catapult tire yeto because a tire. Or the type baako. Or the scissors mienu. Or the knife no. Oh, the edison here kutu no. Near all my tongue kutu wa bontin ekura no. Edison here kutu no. Enubi. And your knife na edi gabanchi no. Debi. And your knife na edison here kutu. And no knife a me ama brapampofo. I saw in the courtroom. And no near the bar court to them. And no pe any weapon a buy. And no pe. Me say knife on the chroto make something interesting and serious actually about it. Into all chronobono or the knife, they saw the scissors or the catapult tie and a koi and a jaw dressy you'll be a cockron or dressy and or the bandana a shiny back pocket and then a lawyer becca as a minim say a dress ye cockron no buy a dress any the bandana say the baby to the baby and stuff not the cock. Now then you see despite the fact of the cow court to them the very first day I didn't back court to say oh no yeah at a point in time was a son and he said say no cray near me kai ni na no na ya hye say menka na manka ne saa ye bekume because ye de ade bo mitirim ama mitirim afiri moja mitiri apai eno de mark no ana da ne tirim no e kire court Then you see you have a reconstruction scene video. And that video, one of these days, I'll play it for you to watch. The reconstruction scene video, I'll play it. Take it near I'll play it. Man play in Accra. I'll give you excerpts of what happened, just for you to judge for yourselves. It's about 12 minutes, either 8 or 10 minutes video. I'll play it for you to watch. If you watch the demeanor, how he behaved, how he talked, you can also be a jury. Then talk about it. Now, your bar high court, let me say a big thank you to the trial judge, Justice Lydia Osemafo. I salute her. She's so good and so powerful. What they do, baby? Now, I want to say, sexy don't kasa bebre or take me down. Kasa bebre nem fa baby amba. Leave it. Your case in the area. It is then that you be who say, why ne cannot correct? Why in a chantro? So, you start a case. Your friend is Samuel Bear Consa Codie. On JB Danquah-Adu, the driver. Driver, no, a PO court to them, say, not our drivers too. But this Samuel Bear Consa Codie, also, I drive JB Danquah-Adu for 6 years. 6 years. But Papa ni fie ho on run sitting room with that. But you tell me 6 years and our driving. Efficiency and our driving. But and yes, so she no kwan so no agika no. Okofie kofa car no. No makoye rounds akoba bia opon a. Not the papa na be fie. No be park car na she garage. Not the ne boss key aman. For 6 years. Okodu ho na papa ni wie ya otwen 6 years papa no o say onra papa no hoda the sitting room onra hoda for 6 years. The story ne say you driving JB Danquah-Adu on that eve day, that very 8th February 2016 no o say on papa ne start say o madwuma anopa no be 8 o'clock and the coffee or coffee no omo ko tema ko ye adwuma wo ho omo ko Stanbic Heights omo ba fie omo wie bibi o meetings, several meetings omo wie bibi a omo bedu fie no na it was around 12 o'clock anajo and omo bedu fie and no park car no oso da bia omo ba omo du gate na wabo ho no na gate man abebie security man no abebie obie wo man na je wakopa car no de ne boss key no de amano na ja otika so a o driver we a meka na asem o se otika so a obe park car no 12 o'clock and no de key ne man ne boss and no fish yashi baby a JB Danquah-Adu te no e ba yashi me e kwan no ho be fa car menim so nya kaaswa straight dia e no kodu kaaswa o se kodu kaaswa no odware wieye oba beda no e no nya call efi Jennifer house help ne ho e se yaku ne boss JB Danquah-Adu o se ho happen no sorry for atade she e na oba back nti ono baaye no na action no bi kan esi awi ono the testimony obeka che court no ye bisa ne say time ben e na okodu fie o kaso a o se onkai time ben no dware wie ya oba beda no her time o se onkai time ben na Jennifer frère no onhwe ni phone so o se onkai ti time ben no fie kaso a esan fa car anadwo no ebedu JB Danquah-Adu fie ho o se onkai. That is the testimony of Samuel Bear Sa Kodie, driver Emma JB Danquah-Adu. The second Adansinia prosecution no efreye Stephen Apreku. the very security man na ɔse wada ma yakofa twede afi dan n'achi e de afa n'anim akɔtwere dan no afro dan no afro awura dan nim ane papa na kɔ struggle ama yɛse papa ne tie mu wante no sa security man no Stephen Apreku ono the testimony ni say JB Danquah-Adu ebedu fie 12:30 omo bedu na security driver ne bo ho no enuko bieye obie door no gate ne ma wo mo be park car no na wabre nti okodae nti enna no odaya wonim ne esiye na niti be 1:30 anadwo no na ni ba ne ho so no hu se ose osori anadwo bi a okọ patrol or be dance okọ patrol fio nti na ni ba ne ho so osori be 1:30 okọ patrol no eno hu se ye de atwede ne boss e window ano na ba bi atwede no na hye atwede no timi abetwere wo na ye ne nwanwa tie ni oyeye ose okofre gardener na wadawo security post dining no okofre no e no ka chen say ko mehu atwede e bi se twere ha na misusu se obi afro e ko boss ho because na slide no so no ya bie e no say your friend ni hwe ni din e de amount ose oye ya pe e no say mauko oye ya pe no say ene e ma menfre the next house security man no wo ho no ono de wa che wo area mu ha nti omo free security man ofifie ho e nante call the next house e ko free security man wo ho e to a so call the next two houses e ko free security man wo ho ko free security man mienu aba omo baaye no e na security man no wo the next house no ko free ni say there bi o ene ma yen free police na police mra eti police ena omo free police ema police o se police for me ensa ene ba fie ho sa na dwo no ena sexy don lawyer bi say time be na ase papa no ebedu fie because una we security ma una bi e door no the time be no bedu fie o se papa ni bedu fie 12:30 time be na wo die o se onim time wo die one get time wo no die time be na wo hu se atwede ne twere ho o se na wada ti na ni tie ye no when it time be afi o se on kai time and ni tie ye the very time on kai ni ebisa nse baby atwede ne na da no obi fa apart from the nim ho de be fa akotwere no e kwan foforo bi wo ho o se dabi se atwede no ukofa baby o fa ni bia na se o be fa security post enim ho na de akotwere papa no baby na twere no. And that is the testimony of the security man. Enipa 8 na wo fie ho no me nka obi a testimony. The third witness of prosecution freye eye Kenneth Crunchy. Kenneth Crunchy eye phone seller obi a not on phone e was cycle or say ho ena Daniel Siedu sexy don e de phone mienu ebre no e say unlock back this back lock nti unlock man na back nso no o say ewu on charging fan man o say oji phones no eno hu se moja but o tie story ni yi eno hu se moja e wo phone ni back ho phone no ka say lock wo so nti unlock man no o say odi ko si so no o de ne nsa fa ni no hu say phone no lock ni so picture eno hu wo so o so pictures o hu ye no JB Danquah-Adu pictures eno started so off flip it eno hu said there was a video na video no bi na na selfie said the ma fa me phone ba ko ya me ye selfie obi na ye selfie to nipa na ye selfie no se de ote ya ne se onipa no obi afre no wachiri se JB nti ote JB no nim JB ku ohun other pictures bi nso ewo so to se o hwa ape ena na danfo bi fe ne ka che ne se wate se ye kum MPB to se oye na adwen se ni obetwen tie story do obetwen na ebot wofa wetie 12 o'clock news ese ye beka se eyampa ye kum MPB ana phone na obi di abre no se obi di abre no dan ye se edu di abre ne se on lock baako na on charge baako mfa ama no no o se ohun pictures wo so na onim onipa ko na danfo bi fa phone frɛ ne ka kyɛ ne sɛ mate sɛ yakum MPB o ɛno se ene metwen na metie wie news ahwɛ sɛ ɛyɛ onipa na ni mfoni wo so na ɔno na yakuna ɔse ampa ɔtwen 12 o'clock news ɛno te sɛ media houses bi a otie wo mo no sɛ yakum MPB ɛno mde MP ni picture to so the picture na yɛde to so no ɛno hu sɛ picture na wo phone ni so no ɛno frɛ na danfo no ɛka kyerɛ ne sɛ MP na ɔse yakunu no obi de ni phone abrɛ me ɛsɛ me charge na me ndi code baako enti MP na yakunu no ni phones no ɛwɔ me nkyɛn phones no ɔse ɔflippy phone no ohun na nado number wo so ohun ba umia number b ba omo flippy ya kodu ju osla usu akufu number ena na danfo ba akofoforo beka che ne se ono ye MPP ni oni mosla usu akufu ye ni MP enti omo mfre osla no mon kan che ne se phones of JB Danquah-Adu ewo wo mon nchen phones no ewo mo nchen o say abrante ni so de ni phone na danfo ni phone efre osle usu akufu wamfa ena omode phone na ye JB Danquah-Adu phone obi o say obi de dia brand sexy don na dia brand say ondi kodi man omde phone ni frɛ oslape ena osla fae ena osla se den asem ena si MP na ye si yakunu ni phones no obi di abrɛ me ena si ntia wan munhia me wa ha ena ohia wom ena ode wom tena aka mu efi agbogboroshi etwa mu a besen koye se onim police ni bia ono no ye investigation now yen say e betimi achi sexy dondon so this is the case of Kenneth Crunchy the phone repairer or six sexy dondon e di two phones no ebre no sexy dondon lawyer bisane say phone no ampa se oje ye na moja wo so o se ame moja na dry and I say o se wanhwe. That is the testimony of Kenneth Crunchy, the phone repairer. Now, the fourth prosecution witness, Kenneth Crunchy Ninua, George Amufa. George Amufa, Ninua, and Kenneth Crunchy. And also your phone repairer. First, now on phone cars. And ask some cars at Ojaye and obe started tone. Phones and kasa. Obe repair phones. Osi oni ni nua no na na wo ho. Ono no ko hiti nsuo de ma dan ye si edu. Ebre oba ya osi we pra ne nsa no. Ono boa e ma ye chi Daniel. Osi ohun se Daniel na we pra wo ne nsem. That is the testimony. Ono the nani testimony kwa short. That is the testimony of George Amufa. The next person, a pathologist, Dr. Lawrence Edusei. Pathologist ne say, ono de opapai emu ni keke. Emu eno papai, emu aye de bre no, JB Danquah-Adu emu. Eno papai. Opapai wie ye no kra no. Report no, o say, akromfo be wi ane nema ofie. Nti omu be wi report no nso. Ekọ because omu fa ne laptop. The laptop na omu fa ye no. Na report na watchro ne wo so. But because okoye ye police hospital nti no otimi ko hwe back eneja onya bi keka si ani no ode bre ye court. Nti ono de na ne testimony no enhye danye yi. Question ba kwa yebisa ne say JB Danquah-Adu table na ode ne to so papa no no. Ohwa na ne tenten te sen. Wan shede hu anka. The sixth prosecution witness Abigail Mafo. Ababa we na sexy don't be dware ye. Ewo ni fie. Ebere okodi boni ni wie. O chere say odane dem a compound house. Edwaye na enyo no nko edwaye obi edware hobi. Omdos no fie o. O se odane dem na nadwo na oda dem ho no. And not say obi say nsuo. I say there's this rubber tank I can say ni dia na o maye na de dia shemu. I say poly tank type bi na de dia shemu. I say obi say nsuo. E wo abonten. And obi say as oten am say hwan ya hwana o say obi a anje so. Ono so no yare nti wantimi ampi a ma mehwe onipako. Enaja ope ne ba bi dai. O say ade chin ye no. O sorry so okwa akudware no. Okoye no na cap a esi saa barrel ne so no na moja wo ho. Okwa adwaye ho so no na utimi hu say ye na utimi hu say obi abehohoro ne ho moja, obi abedware ahohoro ne ho moja e de agu adwaye ho. Sex don lawyer bisa ne say ohu oni pa akon o se da bi. Ade chi ye ohu moja no ono nko a de dware ho o se da bi. Ono na ye first person na okodware o se ontimi nkyere se any tenant sorry so akodware a ontimi nkyere. Ye bisa ne say ohu oni pa akon o se da bi. Hwan no bo na mane o se ni fiewura e no bo na mane anopa na ni fiewura be hweye e na ni fiewura na free police for ma police for buy e na etwero na no asem e no mo koye o se na no asem na police for twero ye no o ma nkan amfa nkyere no o mo koye no e cheye pa sana police for no e san be ka che abe kan na no asem no e de a kyere no don't me nkyere say eye ni o kan ye na police for no twero ye e be kan kyere na na say eye foforo. Abigail Mafo ono so the testimony no. PW7 a set Frempong ono a DNA analyst. But ono so the credibility became something else. Also professionally onye DNA expert, but as a branch bi kakra. Said yes obi a journalist, but who remu obi o wa omunye journalist. Ebi a just host keke. Obi a just a presenter on go media school. Na ate. Enaja utimi kasa ye. Yes your friend journalist no. I say blogger si bibiri. Yes o journal no. Obi a blogger, obi on go media school da. E just social media na aba no onu so fa ne fun esi nanim. E na oye bi ne nkrofo hwe. E na ye ma ne likes ne ade ntim. So the credibility became something else. Or say ono a na ye test no. Ono no actually on a report. But ebusiafo it will interest you to know say prosecution witness be can ansem no. Ono anso be man evidence in chief. But sexy don't lawyer ya odankwa. A cross examination. It came out say enye set Frempong and a year DNA no. DNA ni anya wo Ghana ha. obi na kwatena baabi no yeye e wa buruchiri ene ye de baaye e na omo ankasa de omo findings e to omo letterhead so e baaye e na set frempon no e lefty adwuma no omo yeye e no no so de e to ono no letterhead so e no de ba court e no be chirechi no nti yesi methodology a ye de yeye no onim. So that was PW7. PW8 a detective chief inspector Augustine Nkrumah. Interestingly, on the chair with the bare 3-4 months e wadakem and ye back to back. Or chair say on an oil lead investigator e wo JB Danquah-Adu case in him. Na Accra region for na start say Accra region for actual statement nibi and na omo kan bibia bum nom de bre no na yeti team ona no oye the lead team member ona na o lead crusade no eneja omo ye bisa ne se knife no aye de wo JB Danquah-Adu na musi moja woso ose ane mo de call forensics ekoye forensic lab ose there bi adentia ose it wasn't necessary because no mo agi atum say sexy dondo eni ku papa no tio knife na ye de wo papa no JB Danquah-Adu ema ni wuye no omo say JB sexy dondo girlfriend Janet Chira ono no de knife ne ma wom but sexy dondo to scissors ne twene wo kwan so knife na ye de wo papa no yamfa nko forensics lab ankoye forensic ti moja na wo so no say yakoko moja say ye krama moja say ya ponche moja say ye nipa moja nipa no kra no say ye ba na be makwala na peninu we don't know. All what the investigator told the court and they said it wasn't necessary because they were convinced say sexy dondo or no in the kun JB Danquah-Adu. Ayo mama and I want to say now so JB Danquah-Adu the whole case ayeye enipa 8 na no mu ofi wa me bobo mu din kire wo no obi eni wa ye friend so media dance apart from driver or driving 8 years I went run a holder apart from security man na wada aye kofa atwede e de be fa na nim froye yan friend. Interestingly unim Jennifer a house help no the story ne say ebra omo free police for 3 na police for 3 ni be do ho no almost say and this was what was said in court na omo pay access to JB edem ho nti omo free JB Danquah-Adu yere no no da fie obi no omo fa fun free no and catch say madam baby atwede ne da ne hu sa atwede na firi wakotwere boss dan ne ho yesu se bibi asi ma me say mon free Jennifer wo key ni baako obebie kitchen door na mamu na mafa ho. So the 3 police officers are ebe fi ho no omo ni Jennifer ene foro dan no e ko soro ho including the security man any Jennifer any 3 police officers no obi a yesusu se yakuni kun no a oda dem obi oda fie obi a ya frɛ ne wo fie wa ese ba maame yesusu se wukunu bibi aye no ti ye pesenka ebi a obama ye call ose mo mfrɛ house help no o key ne baako ampa konyane house help no Emma offer a bunch of keys the few onsafo ano ababa Jennifer eni kura no okobie kitchen door no Emma police officers 3 the first police officers 3 na a coffee no including Jennifer the house help and the security man Ena guard na wada we inside one omo ene call inside ho so omo bie dan no ababaawa no omo bie dan no na JB Danquah-Adu eda a pool of blood emu ananim ebutu form security officer no police officers ni mu baako 3 no emu baako ka kire security man na say bandana bia na egu ho so no na ekura no se bandana na egu ho onfa bandana no enda ne papa onwo so papa no hwese papa no onwu ya. Is the story making sense to you? Oma fo era dem o yakobie do ne de ama wo oma hu se papa na wu obutu ho police officers ne say security man onwo so papa no enhwe se wawu ana so security man ne fa bandana no anase Simon Jale mi mekura se jambe ne fe ni Simon Jale bandana no e no de touch papa no e no de wo so no na papa ne wu e no dane nanim e no mu hu se ya stab papa no won ne kon ase ene ne boom eno da mojani. These are the facts presented before the honorable court. Now the question is, those people who went to the room to see the body for the first time, were they in court? No. Were they called to come and testify? No. Jennifer, yanchoni statement impo na yatenda. The house help na wono na ne madam say o ki ni bi. Nti munko frɛ no, no mfa munko papa ne dem ho no. Yan frɛ no, Jennifer yan frɛ no. The 3 police officers ne ko hu body no for the first time and ne da ho fresh in the blood no yan frɛ om. We don't even know their names and we don't even know them. Na yire na ye frɛ no e wo phone so ka che ne say, "Maame, Yesusu say bibia ye wukunu because ye hu satwede e twere ukunu no window sliding na chi. Ana oda dem wo oda fie ho bi no yan frɛ maame no." So ene ya Danquah bisa say ti oma na da dan ni man kasankasa ne de prosecution ne say ye mfre obia media dance. But ayo onwa say the very knife na Yesusu say sexy don de wo papa no if say ono no ye ya knife na ye de wo papa na ye sina moja wo so yamfa nko forensics anko hwe say eye moja ben na wo so na emom JB Danquah-Adu boxer shorts and na wode ada a obo opitirinya na ye ayese na sperms wo mu no eno de omutimi de koye se the sperms na kwakoye DNA. Are you surprised? I am breaking things down for you because this is what happened in the courtroom. And these are the facts of the case. All these 9 years, this is what has transpired in the courtroom. If a certain member of parliament dies, is killed gruesomely like this, now we can't sit on our buttocks. We can't stand on our toes as a country and seek justice for him. Then we are sick as a country. Then the corporates are just walking freely. Obiba innocently. And yagagi up against. That is why I'm telling you, that me, I'm a black wampofo. I am not surprised about the verdict. No, I am not surprised. I am not surprised. I am not surprised. Per the evidence I'm in the man. Tell me if you are surprised about it. Neire yam friend. Edina obuboye. Yesi was la usu akufu. Ene di nipa tre na. Omuso omanya. Phones no. Ekura awomo no. Ekoma police for no. Osla yam friend. Say nipa na. We free. Ni nyina no. Yam friend. Now, let me tell you this. The prosecution also told the court to say, Janet Chira, a JB, sexy don girlfriend. At a point, yes, and a year. Prosecution say, on no the knife and a ma wom. Omuchi on his statement. On no catch a police force say, ampa. Sexy don and the quiet ye see yano. On the cocoon, JB Danquah-Adu because. Osedano, opi no hu atade a na hye sexy don. Sexy don the knife no, ebre no, anamoja wo so se onkwa wo horo so na onfa nto wo. Osesa anadwo no, sexy don bedu ye no, omani hiti nsuo ma ne so de miamia ni kuro e wo ne nsem. Osesa sexy don bedu sa anadwo no, na moja e wo ne ho. A moja so ne no. So no sense you man no de kodware. And it will interest you to know say all these facts our police fortress say Janet Chira oh yes sexy don girlfriend e catch the police for omo twero ye e de to wo no yan frɛ saa baba wa ne se omra court meka e wo court dem. Are you surprised about it? Say you hu knife no me na metimi nya akukuduro e de knife ne ma police for say police for e mo ba hwe ye fie ha knife we na mi kunu sexy don de ma me o de ma me na moja wo so ama ababa wa no kwa police for chese ohoro ye no we ntimi ahohoro moja ne yie enti ne bia ka won knife na de sensen akutuo no dua no ebi ye rubber ebi ye dua ne bi unze ya na tokuro bi e wo knife ni tini ho no yesi na eho moja ni biaka t-shirt and sexy don out si moja wom moja ayemu no omo chesa baba wa Janet chirai ono no de ma a police for ono crack boy e ma yechi sexy don. But I am still surprised that the prosecution never bothered to call Janet Chira to the courtroom to come and sit in the open court and tell the story. I say ababa wa natural e di good krata so e de ma police for. What prevented the police? What prevented the prosecution? And you see, in murder cases, you need to prove beyond reasonable doubt. Even if a tiny shred of doubt, the person will walk free. The person will walk free. And Minia, quarter. Social commentary na yamano. Let's forget about it too. Court them, we are talking about business. And it's serious business. Now they see radio commentary, social media commentary now, and go for two mufia omoyen. You find your court to them. And yes, no kuno, and yes, near Bredrian, and was in a ganyam. Sam Mogunu, court and find you. Ye ka facts of the case, the ingredients of the case, and no naeka. And say Mogu need and Grofotina mufia and they forget about it. You first social media and your court. Into the only assem. No be asem na mo se mo be kan o media no ma. Try it in the media. But court them mo dede na mo ye wa bonte ne fa anya hwe. E no ye court dan ho abobo. No. Yan frɛ ne yere no. Osla usu akufu a. Omo scroll phone ne so. The set people na omo si phone na bedi wo mo nsam na. Omo timi tre numbers bebre. E did the same JB Danquah-Adu phone no. E frɛ Osla. no de ofaaye no osla ya mfre no papa ne yire ankasa JB Danquah-Adu yire no ya mfre no house help no ko bie door no ede ma police for miensa amom ko hu body no efa body na omde body ni pi akono ni nyina papa ne yire se wanti o enipa begu fie ho papa ne yire ne se wanti o ye fa ni kun ni body na ye de ni sane afi soro ho no eno no ti dede eno bi ene do ne kakra bi eno bi say and then see and from what the prosecution said, you could see the policeman was either angry or furious or I don't even know the word to use again, or annoyed. And Crawford be goofy ho for some time. Ya fafo na fra waka cho se ukun bibi aye no. O se yemfre house help. Ya fre house help. Akodem ho, akohu se ukun awu. Ama security man na odu dem otie mu ama other people neighboring houses in Crawford e wo ho e ba fie wa nadwo no. Ma me se wante. Ye fre ambulance. Nwe police patrol team. Nwe by. Ma me se wante o. Na wada ye fa body na ye di body ni sane no na ambulance nwe na bedu na police for nwe na bedu ye di body ni sane no and obi ene door ne ketwe bi ye see she opened the door and peeped through. She opened the door small way and she peeped through and saw one policeman. And Obisa say, officer, and then I see. An officer say, Mammy, da, BBNC. Who could know your husband, who you have kids with? Your friend say, what that if you and yes, and I were to crime. You were in the house. You were in one of the rooms with your mother and your children. Your friend will phone so. I say ukun yesusu se bibi aje no o se yanko free house help the ko free house help akobie door ono ehun body the boss body no otie mu osun ye security man ehun body no otie mu osun ye o se wante obie door ne ketwe bi no de nani tie mu eno bi sa say e die na esi. Policeman, I think he was angry. And was madam, na BBNC. And ampa. This woman shut her door and went back to sleep. Interestingly, she shut the door and went back to sleep. She was not called to give any witness statement. She was not called to the courtroom to even say anything. Let me say it. And 9 years near me di JB Danquah-Adu case chino. And epe. And a ninuya eba court. It is only today. And I have said on many occasions, say JB Danquah-Adu abusu afase na omoba court. And I mean nimu me who they should come out and tell me, say, mediama nameba na wuni mintia. And obana mi huna say oninia me who say we a yampa no bana we no. Nobody. Na and I saw somebody or senere pa me na woni me say ama jama lady de jama na yire ni nua. Yeah. And then I was even expecting at least one NPP MP should even step foot. One NDC MP, because JB Danquah-Adu was in the Parliament House with you. Otre and Adoa Upura no Yumpo and Chemo. This is the country we live in. Uwa, we wampa. Uwa, wewampa. Knife no never went for forensics. Now the question is, the knife is you say the war no. Ya inquire forensics also there, and then they do JB Danquah-Adu. Because prosecution chair say knife, scissors, catapult, air tie, and all the call chronable. Auto scissors and a train, but or the knife in the beefy and the brain girlfriend, as the on horosco. Into knife on the munya a sanka a exhibit. Excellent one. And can see then obi di two kumobia. Abuba ne woman, mokosha say. A yes, abubana, nature two animal, and no one. Eh, Bacana Police Service, you have really surprised me. I am beginning to believe certain things. That's Daniel C. said in the courtroom. That's all those things was orchestrated. You planning, I say, you try play, and your demand say, take part in the play a role. And this is the role. Daniel C. kept saying, say, your demand say, play. So this facts, I'm a kind chilery. This facts, a nipa police for me and say, go for you, yenimum din. A bra, see, one interesting thing, me refi, Makai Mamen can't show. A man say, be a catcher or say, Bako set ne empini Oslo, Uswa Kufu. I almost share JB Danquah-Adu phone this one. Omu Osla number or so almost free Osla no. Osla share one. Edi omu call who police officer Bino. Do you know that interestingly, those three gentlemen at the phone they call Osla Osla don't go three some police officer Bino. When they say police officer no, Edi ni fie masa emrantie miensa ne tena ho 3 days. 3 solid days. 3 solid days. Yes. 3 solid days. Me se me wo adanse e kire se. We ne kun papa so mesi. Ena me friend ani me friend Osla Usekufu. Ena Osla say mu shia me wa ha. Ena mu shia Osla. Ena Osla drive wo mdo nku police officer baako. Police ni na oji phones no. Edi ni fie ma wo mtena ho 3 solid days. And questioner, sexy don lawyer bisa and say 3 days no. Na mo doma no. Na mo dware police ni no. Anasa fe mo dane watchman na mo watch ni fie e de man. Interesting stories. Interesting stories. Interesting stories. So, that is sexy done for you. See, if you catch or say, that day incident ni si na JB Danquah-Adu na ere wo ho. Na nasi ba e wo ho. Na Kwame Zita. Kwame Zita one of the drivers driver no. Ono so no fi ho. Mariam, one of the house helps no. Ni me sure so oba no pa. No kono. No fi ho. Apreku e wo fi ho. Then there were other people. Apart from Apreku, omo ehu body nankasa no. Ya mfru bia so me testify. Abigail Mafu yo say sexy don be dware woni fi ho kran. O say what fi ho fi ho area mu ho. Enso onim JB Danquah-Adu. 16 caution statements. Eneja ye troye. Ye wie ye ni nyina no. Jury members na say omoye 7. As I say ye unanimous decision which is 7-0. Ana ye nya 6-1 majority. 6 guilty, 1 not guilty. And I say nya 5-2. 5 guilty, 2 not guilty. Interestingly, enipa 7 no 4 say on the charge of robbery kronobo no susu say nye Daniel Siedu ene kobo krono no menuanom mabusuafo a mo hwe me my cherished viewers and listeners. Phones na yesi ayiraye no. Yanchi Daniel Siedu se ekura ne ni o. Phones 3 na ye kan wasem no. Yanchi no se ekura no. Obi na di phone ni ba ye se Daniel Siedu na di phone na ma no. That is the story. Yanchi ama bra kwampofo se okura insuo we. Na emom na yaw ene se ama na di insuo we ma me. Se na yaw ka nokore. Se na yaw twa ntro yenim. Nti omo se enipa for say de susu say enye Daniel Siedu na kobo okro no. Ene enye no de ana na kobo okro no. Enipa 3 so say de adwim no susu say Daniel Siedu na kobo okro no. So 4-3. On the charge of murder, enipa 4 say susu say enye Daniel Siedu sexy don enna okun JB Danquah-Adu. Nkrofo say susu say enyo no enekun JB Danquah-Adu. Omo issue no. Say de susu say enye sexy don nekun JB Danquah-Adu. Now let me come to the issue of sexy don and a Gucci youngster. And you know, me. Ore sexy don sechi ha. Nen sechi ha. Edin Gucci youngster no. We tattoo edi egu ho. Wa tattoo Gucci youngster egu nen sechi. Enu se tattoo ni bi wo wa enye tattoo e pepa. Ene tattoo a check because you could see say enim no kra ye kakra we dware so ache. So it comes back to the issue of damn parent de sexy don ma me because me call police station was say me call report say makofa ashawo ni ba ene nkrophobia threaten me. You know say so na mo small boy ko fa ashawo ni ene me for sexy don. So Daniel Siedu say ni nickname a obi anim say ya de frɛ no eye Gucci youngster watatu egu nensechi. And ama I can testify to that. Me anka so de akere me mahwe mehu tattoo no egu nensechi. Gucci youngster. Abusiafo ene after full trial of 9 years no yenya de efre no hang jury. Hang jury, which means as I say a stand started afresh. A stand started be a started be bio. As I say a stand started be everything afresh. A free for dance for fraud. He taking his statement for fraud. He taking the plea for fraud. It will be another marathon. It will be another marathon. It will be another marathon. In the episode for sexy don case, that is the ingredients of the case. So you can judge for yourself. You can judge for yourself. You can judge for yourself. Now, if you have any question, you can ask your sweet girl. So, that is JB Danquah-Adu. Murder case. Eja, onyabidu. eja bedu ye no yentimi enya unanimous decision as I said ye discharge jury no inti ye discharge jury no ne aba ne say ye san start for free. That is serious. This is serious. But my member prosecution nabaso about penny safe akobacha. She did very well. Why do you beat me? The prosecution did well. But maybe police for adwuma no enna anko yi. Yes. Because police did the investigations and the Attorney General. So she was just prosecuting. She was just prosecuting. So, I know there. But let me say a very big thank you to lawyer JB Danquah, the defense counsel. The defense counsel. What she say, we have lawyers and we have lawyers and we have good lawyers. At a point, no correct. Yen court reporters are yet the from day one. No. Me say, yen ya na yet court them who na near the case nechi fitted no. At a point, yen na ye can say the verdict, the jury members will acquit the gentleman. And ankene for the first time, maybe yen never cite your contempt because because it will be a need for us. Because facts na yen yat na court them ho tie ni nyina no bi obi oma ye frɛ obi eni wa ode nanim ye nu we ehunu se sexy dondon ene kuku papa no obi eni wa ode nanim ye nu we ehunu se papa ni phones no na was sexy dondon. No, nobody. Nobody. So at a point, we all came to a conclusion that let's leave it to the jury members. That is their work. And the jury members are saying, say, any part said there be, bueno, one cockron bokra, one coffee ompo. And you know no kuno. And you know any kuno. And you know any kuno. Now the second trial now is going to be serious. Because then the lawyer cry started to up a bail at the man. The lawyers up a bill at the man. By Monday, if nothing happens, you two about Saturday, Sunday, Monday, say BB and Sia, courts and come. Lawyer for JB Danquah-Adu, Obeka Sawaha, on Angel TV, on courts and come. Monday, 9 p.m. Say BB and Sia. You two about their program be election, and say you two about we na BB and Sia. Na BB answer Monday nyame ya doma. JB Danquah-Adu case sexy don the lawyer ya Danquah Obeba Angel TV on courts and commercial. And Monday I will bring you some exclusive videos, an exclusive interview with with sexy don mame, sexy don papa, and in Indiana. So I want to Kasada. I'm a brother. I'll bring it to you. They will talk for the first time. And you will listen to the family. Because ne sexy don near baba ko buy court will be soon ye. Who ni nuya na kra no nim ni nuya. And sexy don ankasa kra nim ni nuya because 9 years ne ya woni nuya na ketwa. Abusiafo ma de sɛ dia da bia me sɛ no na sɛ ɛyɛ abompae na hwɛ wo ho yie. No my Ghana ya yeti mama kokoduam Ghana ya yeti mi So one hwe you no bi kun a kun free the sero o bom pa yen so asere urade se urade twedi amponyankopon e ma me nko nso hwem mo kai boy ba kona no ka ne hon Vincent Bosu demu 8 years ansa ne yehu se asem no onim ho maache na yijae no imagine se ne ya kwete sexy don no one anka brantie no 9 years ni ya say na brabo keke. Imagine say even on the second chase ayebe koi say the next jury members kwete na fanisa another 3 years, another 4 years, another 5 years and oba bedem na se ya money bail na brabo no obo ne sen e call sen e ba sen ya say a very innocent young man abrabo just like that. Yenuanom mema no, I am begging you in the name of God. Monhwe mabrabo yi. Yenuanom ma no, moma yenhwe ya brabo yi because a sign etimi to obia. As at now, I can tell you say Sexy Dondo is innocent because enipa force say enyo no call robbery. Enipa force say enyo no kokun JB Danquah-Adu. Now we are now going to look for who killed JB Danquah-Adu and who went to his house to rob him. Maybe afe necessary a sign open the Pandora box again. And this Pandora box, it will never be opened. JB Danquah-Adu Pandora box, markets, it will never be opened. My boss Kofi Adoma when Debbie Okasimbi or say, if you really want to get to the bottom of JB Danquah-Adu's murder case, we should all walk to the cemetery, stand at where we buried JB Danquah-Adu, perform rituals, wake him up and ask him, Honorable JB Danquah-Adu, who killed you? Who murdered you? When he gives us the answer, we should just say, thank you, Honorable, go back to sleep. It is only when we will get justice for JB Danquah-Adu. If not that, let's forget about it. Because the Pandora box, it will never be opened. In this case, this Pandora box of JB Danquah-Adu case, it will never be opened. Don't blame the judge, because the judge has nothing to do with it. Don't blame AG, because the Attorney General has nothing to do with it. If you have anybody to blame, I will tell you, blame the Ghana Police Service, because they did the investigation. If you have anybody to blame, blame the alleged killers of JB Danquah-Adu, who may be working freely. Who are working freely. Because until we open the Pandora box of JB Danquah-Adu, let's forget about justice. And who is ready to open that box? The etikromo ayeye, kwani. Now, on the second note ayebekwe, edin no bobo ye osi yensupina won. Osi yensupina was lo usu ekufu. Osi yensupina Kennedy ohenia Japan. Osi yensupina IGP. Osi yensupina afi yebe fere o mana. Is it now that we are going to call these people to come and tell their side of the story? It is now that enipa 3 na omo ko the phone come out lo usu ekufu. Na osla e drive omo ko hu one policeman. Na policeman no eji phone ni wieye. San crofo miensa no sande oni fie ma wom e mom tena mu for 3 days no. Afi ne ebe frɛ wo. The 3 police officers na e ko fie ho e ko hu body ni se net dako e fa body no afi ne ebe frɛ wo. Jennifer the house help no ono na di key ne madam se mo mfrɛ no na o key ni bi no nko bie ono no lead police for ne security man ko bie door no e ko hu ne boss body se net da pool of blood ni mu no afi ne ebe frɛ ne se o meka ne side of the story. Janet Chira, the late girlfriend of Sexy Don Donna, or no say the knife for man, say uncle Horoso. I'll call Moja fee so. Or no dear dance here, a tron and Numa Sema police for Sir Annie, t-shirts way. Me boyfriend no but Shannon no. Oh dear dance sampa. Sexy don't be do feel and who mojan. I feel near friend and oh then we have a long way to go. And the second part will be interesting. I can't wait for it because I will be ready to sit in the courtroom again and listen to it. And ye better say, on my back court them will be dear dance here for the first time. No, ye better some free woman na and now so be better say oh ma. A granny form, a day. I wish you and you and you and you also come to the courtroom and sit down and listen. Yes, I wish you would come to the courtroom and sit down and listen to the various stories. Ebi na foko die yakoye, Gregory Afoko, ebi na koye ya ene. For them 10 years, you go so, you know, baby. I was here for accommodate me. I mean, I must say, I don't think anybody have any question for me. Since you don't have any question for me, permission to fall out. Please, permission to fall out. I am hungry, eh? My dress na medical court in if you are not pa. Me bo brazier. Me try ye. Me didi anopa. And I say you make a saturate. I start anopa 9 o'clock. Oh, basinko. If you anopa 9 o'clock, we could do court to them on 9. I start saying, you reach 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. I fail and I'm goofy. So you could just imagine. I thank everybody. But as I said, Monday, CBB and Sia, lawyer for Sexy Dondon, I will host him on Courts and Como on Monday. I will host him on Monday. If you have any question for me, let me just give you 2 minutes, please. You can ask so that I take my leave. If you have any question for me, if you don't have any question for me, then I will kindly bow out. So I came to give you 2 stories of Pastor Love Nyame Adom. Enwumere onu fia pachochina Nyame Adom obedu fie. So onu fia enwumere ya ochina Nyame Adom Pastor Love obedu fie ochina Nyame eye Adom. We're meeting the bill conditions, and then the number court ama waba abe sign ne bill terms enyina nti ogosraba obeche bachena come no akoja me. So I brought you that case and as well brought you Almighty Sexy Don. My Sexy Don. Me Sexy Don. So I was there for if you have any question for me, please feel free and ask. Pacho, unti bibi asia bisame. Oh, when the mama pressure mo also, but mama me likes cry. Mama nye me sao. Me nim say mo dwa me because nana yao. Samuel Odro or so he is going for free. No, please, he is not going for free. Oh, sorry. So there are several comments here. Okay. Let me read some comments. So why is it that my phone here, the comments are not coming? Oh, so sorry. Okay. Nana Yaukin. Nana, no, he will not be set free. Justice for all can go to Nsawem prisons and grant him bail. And let's see. He should be granted bail for Okay, so Nana ya also the no. Why is my phone doing this? So Samuel Odro, also so he's going for free. No, Sammy, he's not going for free. Sammy, what has happened? Let's say you assign a remanded to prison custody. Me no kase you assign the prison custody. Now me had my 20th of this month. 20th, actually date ni 20th of this month. You be sign the number court. 20th ni ebe who say court ni be man the bill. Court ni man the bill. But 20th ni kwa who because court ni say the lawyer no embra formal formal application embra the lawyer no say onfa formal court no say onfa formal application embra na or the bar any ebe hu say ye be man the bill and now say ye man the bill. Oh please give me some love. Adwuma baby bra ma be ya ma mo na so money song. Give me some love. I beg you, give me some love. Show me love kakra. Show me love kakra. Enti pacho yen setting ni free. And I can so sister ma another 9 years. Bra, kama kebi. But me ni say be 9 years. Oh, give me some thumbs up kakra. Like me videos ni kakra. E mama why? Na mon share love ni kakra mama. Mon share love ni kakra. Mo me love ni so. Mo mama odo. I love everybody. So please give me love. Okay, so the second trial no ebia na enche sa ebia enche sa yes ebia enche sa ebia who knows ebia enche sa enti nana ya edie enono Samodo or say okay makande Charity Adoma from the look of things no I say from the look of things, they were having issues. The wife is very weak. Okay, wait, I wanna Charity Adoma say from the look of I didn't even soon feel Emma Menye I want to read the messages, but okay, from the look of things, there was an issue with the family. Okay, maybe don't show any interest there. No, family members no man show back cry, and then a new abema back a buyer, and independent presidential candidate George Chum Berima Edu or no, and so a buyer. Then I saw this gentleman or say JB Danquah-Adu pa not sem omukra omuba ya mpon no so rekoye not sem and you could see seneba a very handsome guy be with beard kama be not se papa ne pa onukra ye ndu ba bia na osori ekoye nana ya okun say the wife is very wicked woman. Oh bra Charity Adoma was were they having issues bra eno oba no wa makot them ho nti yenti me nkyere mpo say that they were having issues or not. Ma'am later makulu sister na abetimi aka na please if you have any question please you can ask question you can ask and I am ready to answer you. Charity Adoma or say greetings sister Amma. I'm just imagining it. And Anaya Okino say in the midst of all these calls we've not heard anything from his wife. Bacho ne no until the su beto enne. Nana say I can't fathom the whole verdict. Ghana that JB have family members. Bacho or family members. Me kai so wu ye videos e fi ni kromu ba ye ma bi so de omo to form ese omo school fees maybe sisia omo school fees ni ade no tua ma omo ni ade no ni nyina ko ye bibia boachi bi edin ebuziafo ma me famu nsia me huzo bi any question will be any question e de mami nti ma me famu ensi ha na me mom the verdict as I said I'm not surprised. So please the question be anywhere ma me fa mo ensi ha the video is there please share happy and obenya the true one and authentic one. Facts no and na mebubum. Mi kodu fia me home kakra o chenya mbo mehwe me diaries nim. De amigya wo mu bia no. E wo mi se election year that I'll bring it to you because this is a very important case. In case you will be any idiot chiri. Tebusia for question be any hobby. Ti obi en bisa question bi ma me mfa mo nsia. Mo amoba behwe bi ni ja Charity Adomako na na ya okin Samo Odru wana mamle tamaklu and no more mobile ni na busia for thank you so much. I am so grateful. Pacho wa all my thumbs up on pacho my thumbs up eho nyame yadoma ebesen ehia makram e frame ya mabra kwambofo abi you know me dada got him back up. Love you ebeshia bye bye.